Okay, so here we are at Heatherly's Point. This is Norris Lake. And apparently a lot of the Heatherlys had to relocate when Norris Lake was put in. It's man-made, part of the UVA project, part of the dam. So we're standing right here on what's called Heatherly's Point. I guess it was Heatherly Sr., William Heatherly Sr., not our great-grandfather, but it would have been on up the line a little bit past that. Probably about 4 greats, great. Settled here, and there was a lot of Heatherlys in this area, according to Bill. He's our historian today. Isn't it pretty? And there's Jason. Hi, Jason. Thanks for being our photographer.
You're welcome.
And you've got campers here. It's Labor Day weekend, so you've got a bunch of campers here.
Yep.
Bill said that in high school they used to come out here and hang out. Okay, Nancy, here's the barn. We're at their house. That's the original barn. Not sure if this other, I'm sure this other piece is not original. But you can kind of see what it looks like. And this is where the house stood, but I'm sure it's a different house now. Now I can't see again on what picture I'm taking, so I'm just hoping you can see something. I've got cats all around me. Well, okay, I'm going to turn it off because I've just got cats everywhere. Now we're facing the grave site where we just were a minute ago. So I'm looking back the other direction. Okay? Okay, well here we are. We just drove 2 miles from the house, and Bill says this is where JT and Desi went to school. Same building, we think. And it was 2 miles from where they lived, and they walked there.
Back.
And back. So we're going to take a closer peek here. It's actually beautiful out here. Gorgeous views. Bill was just totally shocked when he found out that they actually walked to this school. And there was a school closer to them, but Luther was mad at the principal or teacher or something, and so out of spite, then he changed the kids to this school, and they had to then walk. We're not sure if the older kids had to walk, his own kids, or if it was just JT and Desi. Okay, I'm going to walk. You may not be able to see this too well. I'm just going to try to peek in. We just had a confirmation from a neighbor that this is the original building. So we're at the back of the building now. Notice the concrete steps. And again, I can't see where I'm pointing because of the sun, but, you know, at least you'll get to see something. Yeah, there's the wooden steps, back door. I was able to peek inside barely, and it does look just like a real old house. Probably turned into a school after that, and it's now a community center, and doesn't look like it's in very good repair. Isn't it a beautiful area here? You know, pan out. It is gorgeous.
There's old desk in there. Look here. There's old desk.
Old desk. Okay, let's come see. Bill says there's some desks inside. So we're going to walk right on up.
There's actually pictures on the wall in here, so he was probably taught in the school.
Okay, I'm going to peek through the window here.
Look at the pot stove. It's the old stove.
Wow.
I can't tell if that's a piano in there or not. There's an old desk. Oh, I like that one now.
Yeah, wouldn't that be good?
Yeah.
Jason, you got to see up here. It's the old desk.
Oh, look how small they are.
Yeah, the elementary school.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Killer. Mm-hmm.
Oh, this isn't taking the picture.